Welcome. Today, we'll build a concise C-sharp routine that scans an integer array and returns the largest product formed by any two adjacent elements. This is the classic sliding window pairwise scan problem, great for interviews and practical array processing. I'll show a safe, well-commented implementation, walk through how it works, and test it with examples. Let's jump in. Yeah, the idea is simple. We compute the product of each neighboring pair, which is I and I plus 1, and keep the maximum. Some important details. Negative numbers can make larger positive products. For example, negative 6 times negative 6 is 36. So you must compare all products, not just the absolute values. Also, decide how to handle invalid inputs. I'll demonstrate a safe approach that throws a descriptive exception if the input is null or too short. Here's the clean implementation. We validate inputs first, so the callers get clear errors for null or too short arrays. Initialization uses the product of the first pair. The for loop iterates from index 1 to length minus 2, checking each adjacent pair and updating max when a larger product is found. Time complexity is big O(n), space big O(1). In the main, I run several tests and print results. Wrapping calls in try catch makes the demo robust. The algorithm is simple and efficient. The key is to do a single left to right scan, computing only adjacent products. Because we keep only one max variable, memory usage stays consistent. Edge cases, to remember, negative numbers can flip signs, so you must not skip pairs that involve negative values. We check every pair. This table walks through the pairs and shows how the maximum emerges. Note, the second example, negatives produce positive products. So checking every pair is essential. The final example in the original sample had a mismatch between expected output and printed boolean checks. When you write tests, ensure the expected numbers are correct. We print the numeric result here. Small algorithms like this show up in many domains because it's big O(n) with constant space. It's suitable for streaming context and embedded systems. It's also a great interview problem because it tests basic array handling, edge cases where negatives and zeros, and simple optimization. To wrap up, the solution is tiny but robust. Validate, validate the input first, initialize from the first pair, scan once and update the running maximum. If you'd like, you could convert this to an extension method for unit tests or show variants, like returning the indices of the pair in addition to the product. Thank you for watching, and happy coding! Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more C# tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.